हे गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू व्लॉग। आज का ये वाला व्लॉग मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ अपना कुछ सुबह सुबह, जैसे कि तुम मेरी कंडीशन देख के पता लगाए गए होंगे। और अभी देखो मैं हो रहा हूँ अपना रेडी स्कूल के लिए। और देखो अभी नहा धो कर इतना मस्त जॉनसन बेबी से मुँह धो के हो चुका हूँ तैयार। जल्दी से कपड़े पहनते हैं और टाइम कुछ हो रखा है 7। मैं देखो अपने सारे कपड़े कुछ यहीं पे सजा लेता हूँ, क्योंकि फिर बाद में पहनने में आसानी रहती, जल्दी से तैयार होती हैं। ठीक है, तो मैं देखो हो चुका हूँ अपना रेडी। और अब जल्दी से अपना खाना खाते हैं, क्योंकि टाइम देखो 7:10 होने वाली है। सुबह सुबह मैं खाता हूँ अपनी मस्त दूध रोटी। Hey guys, first look at the time that it is only happening to 9:35 of morning, and look what happened with me today. Means if you guys are wondering I returned because of being late, so you all are guys wrong, because I am late not because of my fault, I am late because of my school's fault. Means I am gonna tell you the full story what happened with me and how I am coming this much late. If I was late because of the timing, I could be at home at 8 or 8:10, but it's 9:30 and I have came just 1 minute earlier before starting the vlog. So let me tell you the story what happened with me. As I had started the vlog at today 6:30, and after that I had left my home at somewhat 7:15, and almost the school is about 7:35, so I could have reached in 15 to 20 minutes, but I met my friends in between and you guys would be guessing what happened with me next. Means all you have guessed what happened with me as I made the entries with my friends. So I met my friends in the street, and we all collected and started to move towards school. At I am not able to guess the time. I left the home at some 7:15, so we left for school, and we were talking and making the cycle run a little slow, so it must have taken a little bit time, but let me tell you what happened next. So we reached the school gate, and my friend named Harsh opened the gate. Means nobody was at gate, and the gatekeeper was sitting in his room. My friend opened the gate and we all entered in, and everything was fine. We were all just parking our cycles in the ground, but the teacher came. Means the one who looks after the security of the school. Means I forgot what he is called in the school, but let me say him sir. So sir came and said that you have just trespassed in this school. Means he was saying like that we have crossed the borders of India and Pakistan and entering Pakistan or India through under the bars. So he was saying like that we trespassed the gatekeeper school gate, and we had made means push to the gatekeeper and made our entries. Means he was saying like that, and we all is obviously we all clicked our entries that we have not made a push to the gatekeeper, or nor we have made entries through illegal means, not we have not passed through the gates. But the sir was saying that let me call the ma'am, means the vice principal, or you can say let me say here vice principal, means I don't know her post exactly, but means I know, but it is not coming in my mind at this time, so leave her, let me say her ma'am. Then the sir said that let me call the ma'am and she will tell you what to do with you, means he was just to push us out of the gates, means he was at this. And after that he called ma'am and we and we said the same which we had said to ma'am, means we had not made a push to the gatekeeper, nor we had trespassed the gate, means she was saying like that if we have entered India through under the cables. So after that the ma'am said that let me call all your parents and you will be made out of the school with them. So we protested, obviously we will protest, and after our protest she said that you all must leave the school at this moment, or we'll have to call your parents and make you suspended, because we were protesting a lot. And you will be surprised after knowing what happened with me, what happened with us after leaving the school gates, means after getting out of the school, means there were almost 22 to 23 children out of the gate, means they were mixed, or the head boy, head girl, means you can understand the head boy was also standing outside the gate, the head girl was also there, and the children of commerce stream, science stream, 10th, 11th and also 7th, 8th, the means all of them counted to 22 children were there outside the gate. And the gatekeeper was saying that sir will not let you enter in the gate. And you all guys know what we did next. We just made our entries between them, and all you know what should we do after that. What so we my finger is coming inside it, let me set, yes. So after that we मेड दी प्रोटेस्ट आउटसाइड द स्कूल, मतलब स्कूल के बाहर प्रोटेस्ट शुरू हो गया। और जो बच्चे आए हुए थे देवर विद देयर पेरेंट्स, सो देयर मदर एंड फादर वर ऑल्सो देयर, एंड huge table was created outside the school gate, means 22 children were there and their parents was also there. So you can say that almost 32-35 people were outside the gate, and our gate is this much only, so the gate was almost fully filled. And the gatekeeper was like this, means the gatekeeper was with his friend, means the another gatekeeper, and they were means making the people stop like this, making their both hands like this and letting them not to enter inside, means they were just pushing the gate to let the children enter in the school. Means you can see that a huge crowd gathered outside our school, and they were just protesting because everybody saying that we have came at 7:31, 7:35 or 7:32, means they were late only for 2 or 1 minutes, and the gatekeepers were not letting them in, and they forcibly made them to call the PTI, means the PTI had left after saying something to them. I didn't know this, but they made forcibly call them the PTI sir, and then look what he said after coming, means he said after coming that you should make your children come more earlier, means he was just blaming the parents for making their children ready late or coming to school late. So the PTI was saying that you should make your children come more earlier at 7:20 or 22, means the PTIs, means they were two persons. One was saying that make them come earlier, and the second one was saying that I had just left the school gate at 7:30, means he had closed the gate at 7:30, and you are coming after that. And my school timing, as he said, was from his side 7:25, means he was just arguing with the parents that make your children come more earlier at 7:20 or 15 and make them enter in the school at this time. So they were just arguing, and then the ma'am was once again called, and she was just standing and seeing the parents and the children protesting outside the gates. Means she didn't say anything, she was just seeing them from inside. And in this time my friend Harsh made a video. Means the ma'am had came because of the video. Means Harsh was making the video of children and their parents. Means he was just making a simple video, and the gatekeeper said to ma'am that somebody is making outside a video, please check it. And the ma'am had came for checking who was making the video. So she came, and after some time a sir came and said that please leave the school gate, you will not be able to enter inside. So every children left, and the head boy had gone inside for making some inquiries, but no hopes of getting inside. So we all decided to leave, and as many parents were there, also Yuvraj had called his brother, because the ma'am was blaming us for pushing the gatekeeper and making our entries inside. So he just made his so no apology was made from our side, neither from other children or the parents. Means it's the school faults. Means they cannot let the 22 children enter inside after 5 or 6 minutes of school getting. Means every school should compromises this much, but I don't like this new vice principal. Means she is too much oof. You can say that she is too much like this, and nobody likes her. So my whole day is wasted like this only. And look at the time, it's somewhat 11 of the morning. Means my brother had taken my mobile for doing some work, so I have made it in 2 shots. My whole day is go to waste, and also my bathing I had wanted at 6. Means in the cold, and also the knee pain of my leg is not good at all. Means my knee is not letting me to run. So let's see what happens. चलो तो ब्रेड लेके आते हैं भाई. अब इनका तो देखो चलता रहेगा, अपना आराम से खा पी के मस्त होते हैं. ये देखो, ये यहीं बैठी है.
Get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.